Hi guys, I'm in my new office space. I'll show you how I built this later, but first I want to show you an old video that came from Israel that I was going to help everybody clean their pans instead of throwing them away, because I was literally didn't want to throw this away. I got it as a Mother's Day gift from my husband, and he got me some really nice things. I actually brought it to America. I still have this pan today because he saved it for me. Now I have like super bendy fingers, so it's really hard for me to press down on things. So it does take me a little bit of time. I have to end up going like this because my fingers will just continue to keep bending and they hurt. So I rubbed this pan for 2 minutes and my husband rubbed the pan for 2 minutes, and this is like one of the worst pans that I ever had. It was bad. So here's what I used. It's called a stainless steel scrubber. That's all it is. It's not a steel wool pad. It's a stainless steel scrubber. And I'll link it down below if you want to see exactly what I'm talking about. Now, all over Israel, everybody uses it. That's what they wash their dishes with. Silly me, I have thrown pans away because I've done the same thing. I burnt macaroni in it and it turned black and it was stuck on. I've tried to boil it. Everybody's like, yeah, just boil it with water, or don't boil it at all. Just, you know, leave it on the thing and with nothing on it and it'll just cook right off. Well, I've tried both of those things, and some help a little bit, but they do not get the majority of this off. This got 100% of everything that was stuck on that pan off, so I just wanted to show it to you real quick. I don't know if I sent my mom some of these or not through Amazon when I was living over there, but when I found this out, I was like, this is like the answer to my prayers, because it saved a lot of my dishes, and I'm still washing my dishes when I forget macaroni and stuff in the pan and it burns on, so take a look. Okay, I'm just gonna give you a real show of how I'm trying to press down and clean this real quick. I don't really care about the bottom of the pans. They're supposed to look like this. If you go into a restaurant, all of the pans look like this. Looks like they were set in a fire for a bit. But I just wanted to show you on the bottom how quickly I did this, and I didn't speed the video up at all. Didn't have too much pressure either. Now I'm going to start putting some pressure on it. This does hurt my fingers, but it was really quick. It didn't take too long. Just like the best invention. But I don't want to speed the video up just so you could see how long it does actually take me, but I'll turn the sound down now. So this is one pass over half of the thing, and I got pretty much, I would say, like 85% of it off. So I'm going to give this to my husband in a minute. This is probably the easiest way you can get your husband to scrape your pans, is tell him you're going to make a video on how to clean a pot with cooked on, burnt on macaroni that you forgot on the stove. I swear, this is the internet's fault. Now this scrubber is basically, I don't think it'll ever go bad, and it doesn't ever really disintegrate. It just gets misshapen. So if you have something that like can hold its shape, this would literally last forever. It's stainless steel. I always used to use steel wool, but that's not the right move. This is definitely the best kept secret on how to not throw your pans away. Can you do it now? Yeah.
It's a little dry, isn't it?
If it is, go ahead and wet it. Look at this guy really getting into it. Okay, show it. Show it. This is like the second pass. Okay, now do a third scrub of one place and get like a half of it completely clean. Now he's really putting some muscle into it, but You've seen every time that we've actually scrubbed.
Did you poop, Abigail?
Yeah, back then, Abigail couldn't say yes. It was always no for everything. You want some ice cream? No.
That right patch is completely clean. You want to film it?
Yeah.
This.
Look at what I've created! Fire!
You may get another one?
Yeah, go ahead. For the sake of the video, yeah, I'm gonna need you to scrub the rest. Thanks.
You want me to completely clean it?
Yeah. I'm going to FoolyCooked channel.
This?
Yeah. These things aren't, like, I've never used that in America.
Really?
Yeah.
What have you used?
I didn't. I threw the pot away.
Let me see if it's a... It's a very common ingredient here. This product.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. And it's good. I thought about sending my mom some. Look at the beauty. And the other beauty is my husband did it for me. Yeah, it looks really good. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you are here. Have a great day.